You guys, what is that?
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey? Can I see him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's cute.
Yeah.
He's cute. Is he going to do anything? Look at him. He's breathing on the glass.
Yeah. He is.
Yeah, he's cute.
Yeah.
Say hi, monkey.
Hi, monkey.
Hi, cute little monkey.
It's the aliens from Toy Story.
Huh?
The aliens are from Toy Story.
Yeah.
And Toy Story 2.
Yeah. You guys like monkeys?
Yeah.
He's cute. What's he got in his mouth? He's chewing on something. It looks like a nut or something.
A nut?
Do you see him? Looks like he's chewing gum or something.
Yeah. He's chewing not anything.
He's so cute.
He's got teeth.
Yeah, he does have teeth just like you. Look at what's he got in his mouth?
That one. Bubblegum.
He's not chewing bubble gum.
He's got... Oh, Mom. Mom.
What? What's he got?
He got gum.
Got gum?
Yeah.
Looks like he's got a nut or something in his mouth. Do you think he does any tricks?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
What do you think he does?
He eats.
He eats? That's a trick?
Yeah.
Very cute, huh? Okay, wave to the monkey and tell him we'll see you later. Okay?
He said no.
Let's do something else.
Bye-bye, monkey.
Bye-bye, monkey.